Most time when you look at trademark, you see a pattern in the registration if they are big companies. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a trademark of Epic Games. If you have a question about this, feel free to ask me. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. Let's begin. The thing is, when you look for a trademark about the company, you need to know what the company is and what it does. What we're going to do right now is we're going to go to Google, and on Google we're going to look for some basic information about that company. Based on that information, we're going to look for some trademark for that company, so for Epic Games. So let's go to Google. See, this is Google. Let's type Epic Games. These are the basic information. You can see it's an American video game, so we know it's in America. 1991, CEO Tim Sweeney, founded in 1991, so same CEO. Find information about it. They create a lot of games. Interesting. And this is their logo. So what we're going to do right now is we're not going on this website. We're going to look for some trademarks. So we know TeamView is the trademark engine that we use. So we're going to go to the website, and on the website we're going to look for the trademark. So when you're on the website, just type the name in the content, Epic Games, and you see this is the result of Epic Games. So interesting. You can see they are active in a lot of countries: United States, Japan, France, United Kingdom, Russia, India. Interesting. And the logo that you saw on the website is here. You can find it here. And they registered a trademark for a lot of classes. You see that here, and they have a pattern. Most time when you look at trademark, you see a pattern in the registration if they are big companies. Here you see 9, 25, 35, 41, 42. Same. See that here they have a pattern. But in Brazil, they register one by one. I do not know why. Maybe there was a problem with that registration. Here the same pattern, and that's interesting to see. We're gonna look at some trademark, and then I will show you how you can look at it. So this is in France. This is in the United Kingdom. We'll look at different trademarks. This is in United States. Okay, United States. And we're gonna look at one more. Let's choose. This is in Brazil, but Brazil has a lot of registration, so it's not work. But it's better to look at it. This is the logo. They registered the logo, so we're gonna also look at that. So let's look at the first one. This is the first one, Epic Games. This is in France. I cannot speak French. I cannot read French, so sorry about that. Here you see they have a pattern, and we translate it. It's not a good translation, but yeah, they register also in French. So because I do not speak the language, I cannot tell you if it's correct or not, but I can see it's specific, and especially they register for products that they already have, they use. So you see T-shirt and hats. Interesting. If you look at another one, the logo, they register the logo. This is in United Kingdom, the office. They register. See, this is a good registration, broad but specific, really good. So 9, 35, 41. So it's interesting. Really. This one is interesting. It's good registration. Let's look at this one. It's the US. 9, the same thing, but it's not that broad. Maybe they have a reason why they put it like this. You see the date? Oh, there's a recent one. They register reason. Maybe they already have one. They just need to make it bigger. I will explain that in another video, but not right now. So this is a good registration. This correspondence address, representative. This is Thomas. But wait. This is a new one. Epic Games. I do not know what's. Oh yeah, no, it's from the same application name. So owner. Yeah. And then we have the logo. Also register. Very good, nice registration. Same address. Yeah, this is the IP of the representative that represent them in that country. And then we have the logo again. Also register. but this is in the US, this is in Brazil. If you want to know how much trademark an application a company have, just go to the application name, and if you know how the structure work of a company, you can just press the application name and you'll find the trademark that they have based on your search result. So that's about it for this video. If you have questions about trademark or anything related to trademark or Epic Games, feel free to contact me. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.